We are going to explore the super useful split function in Python for strings. Let's see how it works. The split function is the part of Python's inbuilt string method, and here's how it is defined. So we will write text dot split, and we can check the parameter which it takes. Sep is the separator, which is the delimiter where the string will be split. If it is not provided, then the default is a blank space. Max split, this is limit. This will limit the number of splits. By default, it is set to -1, meaning low limit. So now if I use this function, what will happen? If I run this, so what it does is it will split the sentence into individual words using the spaces, because we haven't provided any delimiter from our end. By default, it took space as the delimiter.